dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Democratic Party has implicated the former Rivers State Governor Wike in the crisis within the Edo State chapter of the party. Moving on after this, we have the National Bureau of Statistics said that Nigeria has paid 721 billion cash bribe to government officials in 2023. But guys, before we commence fully, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for watching. So guys, let's proceed. The People Democratic Party has implicated the former Rivers State Governor Wike within the Edo State chapter of the party. My people, Edo State PDP has been facing internal conflict since the governorship primary election on February 22, 2024, which resulted in Asihudalo becoming the governorship candidate. So discontented party members subsequently took legal action against the party. Last week, Justice Inyangiko invalidated the primary in the case FHC/ABJ/CS/165/2024 due to the exclusion of 378 delegates. So the PDP appealed this judgment on Wednesday. Consequently, the PDP National Working Committee suspended their National Vice Chairman SASAT, Chief Dan Obi, for allegedly sabotaging the party efforts in Edo State. Dan Obi is an ally of the former Rivers State Governor and current Minister of Federal Capital Territory Wike. So a member of the party National Working Committee who did not want his name mentioned in print because he was not authorized to speak on the matter, accused Wike of being behind the party ordeal in Edo State. The source said they are deeply concerned, and the party leadership share the concern that some members are attempting to sabotage the party efforts in Edo State. If you check what is happening in Edo State, you find out that Dan Obi and the former Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu are not acting alone. They are working with Wike, the Federal Capital Territory Minister. So the Federal Capital Territory Minister is doing everything possible to undermine the governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, and pave the way for the APC to take control. Similar to the situation in Rivers State, the PDP leadership is aware that Wike is the one funding and fueling all the crises within the party in Edo State. So it is high time the party took a firm stand on this issue and suspend Wike as well. That is what the PDP in Edo State are suggesting. The PDP Deputy National Youth Leader, Timothy Osadolo, in an interview, affirmed that the party leadership remains undeterred and committed to ensure the success of the PDP candidate, Asihudalo. So my people, what did they try to tell us? Say they don't find us saying Wike they fuel other crisis that is going on in Edo State and the same time in Rivers State. That is why the PDP in Edo State are calling on National Working Committee to suspend Wike because he's just trying to pave way for the APC to take over in Edo State, but they don't want that. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The National Bureau of Statistics says Nigeria paid an estimated 721 billion cash as bribe to public officials in 2023. The Bureau in July 2024 third survey on corruption as experienced by the population, titled Corruption in Nigeria, Patterns and Trends, said that all of Nigerian citizens who had at least one contact with a public officials in the 12 months prior to the 2023 survey, 27% paid bribe to a public officials. So according to the 2023 survey, the average cash bribe paid was 8,284 Nigerian naira. Why the national average cash bribe seized increased since 2019 from 5,754. This does not account for inflation. The inflation-adjusted average cash bribe in 2023 was 29%, smaller than in 2019 in terms of what could be bought with the money. So overall, it is estimated that a total of roughly 721 billion was paid in cash bribe to public officials in Nigeria in 2023, corresponding to 0.35% of the entire gross domestic product of Nigeria. When they check in 2023, they found that bribe paid in public officials' office, and when the streets are counted, that it was around 35 and 36% of all paid bribe. 11% of bribe were paid in the respondent owned homes, while 7% were paid in public buildings such as restaurants, malls, or stations. In that same 23, the largest share of Nigerian citizens that had contacted with healthcare professions and public utility officers for bribe was at 30% and 25% respectively. After everything, my people, police officers came third with a contact rate of 20%. The thing wey dey marvel me for this Naija be say they will always tell the citizen what is going on how they have been spending money and they will cruise over it and move on. They will not find solution. If no be just which same country we hear all this that the government is doing and they will still keep mute? Which country? Now many people come dey talk say the government is a reflection of their citizens. We are all like our government. It's a pity. The country does not need a restart because who wan restart am? Honestly, my people, the citizens are suffering. This one is suffering and smiling. Na im come be our trademark o. Everything for this Naija na cruise. For some people mind, they think say most money wey government people dey spend, all these politicians dey spend, they think say na government money. We need education to enlighten people on how the economic works. Even some of the educated ones are worst. I wan ask abeg, they paid cash bribe or they were forced to pay such fee because you all have made every process hard for Nigeria? That question I want to ask is this: how was this data mined and what makes it credible? All this nonsense is what demolishes our credibility in the international community. There are more important data that could drive change and development. But this is the nonsense that they want to publish. I hope it wasn't done with the taxpayers' money. Honestly, now government be our problem. Why the officials go even collect bribe? But my people, some of them they talk say for them to have the figure, that is not a bribe, that the government officials asked for it and they got it. They didn't end there. They say even Baba at the top can bribe his way in to the top. So what next? It's not a news to them any longer. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. We'd love to get your opinion in our comment section. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do also forward to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out on the latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys.